Okay friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video you can see here I'm just enabling my nvidia broadcast voice removal, and just 2 seconds you can hear the voice. My side is working my CPU is working, and CPU create a little noise on their fan working, and also my ceiling fan is working, and it's also have some noises. So I take 2 to 3 seconds to understand what is that noise. Okay, listen it. So that's the noise, and just open nvidia broadcast application from here. Clicking on this icon, you can see here application is open, and you can see here noise removal currently is turned off, and you can see the strength. We can adjust the strength. Actually now it is turned off, so we cannot adjust that, and you can simply click here to turn on. Okay, now you can simply adjust this one. Okay, but I'm using 100%, and 1 second silence, you can see the difference. See guys, that is the difference, and I love this software too much. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.